What's going on YouTube? OCD for EDC here, and what I got for your face balls today, we're going to be doing sharpness testing on a handful of factory knives. So we're going to check out and see how good the factory edges are on these brand new knives. First off, I wanted to say a little plug for this month's TSA game. Every month I run a game. It's called the Sharpest Apex, or TSA, and it is a sharpening contest. So anyone can enter. There is a small entry fee of $20. That covers return shipping, as well as you get some stickers and stuff. There's potential to win a multitude of prizes. You could win a really sweet 12 by 3 inch double-sided strop, just like this one, from sharpeningsupplies.com. Really cool strop, comes with the compound, really awesome setup. And also we give away knives and different prizes. So check it out if you want to enter. It's a lot of fun. The live results show for the month of May 2020 will be on May 31st. That's a Sunday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's when we'll start the live results show for this month's TSA. Last month, for April, last month's winner was Mr. BJ Hill over at Hilltop Knives and Gear. The steel choice for the month of April was any 400 series steel. So you can see there 440C was his submission, and it measured 120 grams on the sharpness tester. For the month of May, the steel choice is any 154 steel. So CPM 154 or 154 CM. So, you know, Benchmade, there's a whole bunch. ProTech, Benchmade, whole bunch of people make 154 CM or CPM 154 blades. So get them sharpened up, get them submitted. They have to be in my post office box by May 30th, which is the Saturday. And then, like I said, there is an entry fee, but it's a lot of fun. We've been having a good time with it. And so if you want to get involved in that, all the information will be in the description below. So for those that are not familiar with this BESS certified sharpness tester, what we have here is the actual test media, which is kind of like a fishing line of sorts. And it is certified test media. I'm not sure exactly what it's made of, but that's what we'll be cutting. So this machine here measures in grams, and it measures the point at which the knife cuts through the test media and the weight it took to do that. Here is the chart for the scale if you want to pause and check that out right there. What I can tell you is about 350 grams on this machine is where a knife will no longer reliably shave arm hair. And around 4 to 450 is where it no longer reliably cuts cleanly through a held sheet of paper. So to give you some sort of reference there, so anything under 300 really is a sharp knife. Obviously, the lower you go, the sharper it is. So that's what we're looking for here. Low score wins. And we've got some interesting knives to put to the test here. So hopefully, let me see if the light is any... actually, I think it's better without the light. Okay, so first up, we have the Real Steel Rocket. This is in N690. This edge is completely untouched right from the factory. So we're going to get in here and let's see what we get. Oh, hold on a second. Get this centered a bit. Clear the scale. Here we go, here we go. $240. So again, like I said, anything under 300 is a sharp knife. So 240 isn't stellar, but it's decent. Next up, we will do the Wee Angst. This is a new knife that I just received in. Cool little dagger. And yeah, you guys will see reviews coming on these soon. So let me switch out the holder here. Get this centered. Clear the scale. All right. The Wee Angst is S35VN. So the type of steel makes a big difference on this. So some steels get a much finer edge than others. Wow, 335. So not a wonderful factory edge here on the old Wii Angst. So I mean, it's okay, but nothing to write home about, that's for sure. So I'm just reloading the test media here. All right. Let's get this loaded back up. We'll clear it out again. All right, next one up. This is the Tucson 204 Bronc. This one is in S90V. Let's see what we get here on the old Tucson. This is a Warncliffe design. So far, the Tucson is the winner at 170 grams. So that's the order that they're going in right at the moment. So you got the Tucson, the Real Steel, and then the Wii. And then we've got two American-made knives here. One of which is in the steel we just tested. So we'll do that one next. Just since we have that S90V to compare it to. All right, so 170 for the Tucson. This one happens to be the Mannix in S90V. So let's see what we have for an edge on this guy. 200. So this one's going to fall right in the middle between the Real Steel and the Tucson. So like I said, definitely a sharp edge, but you know, anything under 200 for a factory edge is really, really good. You know, it's one thing to sit around and sharpen a knife by hand and spend time on it as a knife enthusiast and whatnot. It's a whole different deal when you're sharpening in a production setting. So here's the next one up. This is the Mini RSK from Hogue. This one is in 20 CV blade steel. Now Hogue generally has really nice factory edges, so we'll see. I need to turn this a bit. We'll see how this one stacks up. But I do have high hopes for the Hogue because, like I said, they generally do really, really nice factory edges. So here we go. Not as good as I was expecting. 240. So that one I think is going to fall between right here, between the Spyderco and the, so there you go. That was your lineup there. So you had the Tucson was the best at 170. The Spyderco Mannix was, I think, right at 200. And then we had 240 on the Hogue. I think we had 245 on the Real Steel. And then over 300, I don't remember what it was, 335 or something on the Wii Angst. So those are your factory sharpness. So, you know, they're all sharp knives. Don't get the wrong impression here because all of them will shave arm hair. So, like I said, they're all sharp. However, this machine separates the men from the boys, and, you know, you can really exploit an edge with this machine for sure. So anyway, I thought you guys would find that interesting. Just a quick little video. Figured you'd enjoy that. One video that I'm going to have coming up here real soon is this knife was sent to me by a viewer. It is a EnduraBlade that is in, let's see there. This one is in Vitoku 2 and Sus 410. So this is a Sanmai blade, and somebody has tried to clean it up with, I don't know what, sandpaper, something, and put a lot of scratches in it. So I am going to completely redo this blade and put a new finish on it, and you will be seeing that very, very soon. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that, and I'll show you what I came up with these blades here. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things. There's a link to my Patreon, which I'm super pumped about that. I've already got 5 Patreons, which blows my mind. So thank you very much to Shane and Jessica, Rascal77, Kyle. Man, I can't remember which Kyle. I apologize for that. I should have been more prepared. This was just off the cuff. But Winchester Inc. and Chris Sabo, thank you very much, guys. I greatly appreciate it. There will be a lot of exclusive content coming very, very soon. I've got some plans to do some funny stuff and some cool stuff for you guys. So thank you very much. I greatly appreciate all your support. For everyone else that's watching, thank you a lot. I really enjoy all the comments and talking to you guys. And overall, it's been an extremely positive experience being on YouTube. And even though I haven't been on here all that long, it's been a lot of fun to be part of the community. So thanks from the bottom of my heart. I really greatly appreciate it, and hope everyone has a wonderful day. Have a good weekend, and we will talk to you later.